one, go.
Hockey! Folks, bad news continues. Horrible news. In fact, worst news. The worst news I've ever heard. And that is humidity. Also COVID, but humidity for me. The humidity has gone through the roof. I'm really sweating all day. I put the AC on for this podcast for the first time in 2021. Amit knows I'm a cheapo. So I run it in the night and I don't like running in the day. Unlike my friend Kunal Vijayekar, who has no money but runs it till he dies. I, on the other hand, I have a plan in place, like 7, 8 hours, and then, keep the room cool. I keep the fan on a little bit, all that. Point being, the humidity in the last 24 hours is unbelievable. Watching the IPL, people were falling like flies. So, not just the COVID thing to watch out for, you have to watch out for the heat. Please hydrate yourselves. Thank God for the world's fifth greatest invention, ice, which, of course, is not really an invention because it was there and then we borrowed it, but then we packaged it better and we advertised it better. So, I'm a huge fan of ice, and I've got ice everywhere I go for the next, I think, till June at least, because this next 5, 6 weeks, not just COVID, but heat is going to play a very bad part. So, this is a reason to stay at home. I'm not so sure about this whole COVID pandemic, but this is a reason to stay at home. Do not venture out wearing clothes. All right. Let's meet our philosophers for the day. The usual, only two who turned up were Amit Doshi, Antariksh Thakkar, also aka Silvery. We are waiting for Vasanti Hariprakash, who is our special, more than special correspondent. She's one of those die-hard journalists who actually works hard physically. Gone to Bengal to cover 7 stages or 8 stages, 15 stages of elections, which only Bengal
Yeah.
has, and lots to talk about. So when she comes on, we will focus on that. But in the meantime, let's start with a lighter story because there's just too much doom and gloom in the papers. I mean, honestly, no one is writing any happy stories. Okay, I know that sounds insensitive, but I don't mean
But
happy in that sense, but positive. Something good.
that's
Sure.
so. What is do we have a happy story? I
We
know we
We
have
have
do.
some
We have
funny
from
stories.
Japan. We have one
we have
story which
yeah,
It's
yeah.
not
offline
a
when he
happy
told me,
story. It's a funny story.
It's
but
a very funny story.
it'll make you feel good about yourself
Yeah, absolutely. That
and aim
yeah,
higher when it comes to the
correct.
ladies. Yeah.
Yeah. So the one Cyrus is talking about, the story out of Japan, where a Japanese man has been arrested for dating 35 women, and the reason, so basically dated 35 women to give each of them a different birth rate to ensure he gets birthday gifts all year round. So like some woman he would tell like, oh, my birthday is in March. Some other woman he would say my birthday is in August, my birthday is in October. So he's just ensuring that he keeps getting gifts all year round by 35 different women. I have to say it's kind of impressive that he managed to do this
I'm
for
saying,
however
wow.
long.
I can't remember 35 friends over the years. How do you keep that count going? And surely two or three will have the say they have the same name, Yuki, which is a popular name in Japan for ladies. So I'm saying
Yeah.
there'll be three Yukis, and he has to remember which one he's talking about. Also, the great effort here is out of 35, I was thinking it's like mutual funds or investments of sorts. You're going to pay a big payroll on maybe four or five of them. Not all 35, but four or five will pay for everything, because there'll be one really rich person who really loves you or whatever. It'll work in your favor. So you'll get a piano or maybe a gift of land or a huge car. Just a couple of really big ones. And I think that's why it becomes fraud. Otherwise, roses, chocolates, they would have let it go. And
That's true.
I don't think just hoodwinking the ladies is enough to cause an arrest.
No, no.
I
I
hope
mean,
not.
it is basically it became fraud now. When you're getting
When the money gets
extensive,
in, yeah.
when the money gets big, then I
Yeah,
mean, like it's fraudulent, no, at that
yeah.
point in time. I think that's what he got arrested for. But I mean, like the the admiration for the man's planning skills,
Hmm.
right,
Yeah, for sure.
is what's been kind of like been the takeaway over here, right? Like, I mean, like, how do you keep all the names straight? How do you talk to everybody on a regular basis enough so that
Because they all
30,
thought he was serious. He told
yeah,
each of them he was serious, and in total they're saying about 100,000 yen is what he received in kind, like in gifts.
and
That's
yeah,
close to about 700 pounds, about
No, but
770 euros. Sorry.
he's an
okay,
artist. If you want to look at it from his point of view, he's an artist. This is not
huh,
an easy thing to do. Okay, forget the morality. We agree that that's terrible. But I'm saying,
right.
could you pull it off?
I
35
don't think
women,
so.
you keep them happy. You
Yeah.
you you sort of make sure, because why would they give you a present? They're giving you a present because they really like you,
Yeah,
some way
exactly.
or form. You've not disappointed them yet. So I salute him in a way. I mean, I
It's a degree of charm which is kind
and
of,
hard work, Amit. He's
yeah.
got to balance the books here with them. To keep everybody happy. 35. I can't look after three people in the house. 35 women in a relationship, which is high intensity. Look at Silvery, she's shivering. We know what happened to Silvery in the first half of that bloody lockdown. Huh?
I
It's
don't know. It's so
counted.
difficult. How does he do it, man?
He,
This
he, he
guy's my
lost the
god.
tiebreaker 7-6. Won't get into details. All right. I have to quickly open a door, folks. I've tried to message the family, but just give me a minute.
Okay.
Can you hold fort for 30 seconds?
Wow. We
Yes,
have.
yes,
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
course.
Go ahead. Go for it. Go for
You
it.
have lost both your artists,
I
Vasanti and
know.
me.
Amazing.
Okay. Silvery, just quickly ask Amit a question on hygiene while I come back.
On hygiene. Yeah, that's a good
Okay.
question to ask me.
Okay, Amit. How was toothbrush today morning?
How was the toothbrush in the morning today? Actually, I realized that I need to buy a new toothbrush. My
Oh,
my
really?
old tooth. Yeah. I have a so I generally have a policy that I throw out my toothbrush with every toothpaste. Like when the toothpaste packet is over, I replace the toothbrush as well. This
Why?
time I did not. Why you don't?
That's
No,
throwing
I,
the
I
bath
I
water
wait
with
for a
the
while.
baby.
But
Who
don't.
does?
But I mean, like, how often do you replace your
We
toothbrushes?
squeeze our
Yeah.
toothpaste till the
No,
end,
but
and we
how often?
squeeze the no till
Once
it
the
dies.
shape goes off, once the shape
Uh,
starts going off,
so
is
what-
when
so
I
what? So how long does that take? What is your
uh
replacement cycle on a toothbrush?
I think
I
My
one
generally
toothpaste
once
lasts me for about 6 months or so. So I mean, like, shouldn't the toothbrush be replaced at that point in time?
Hi Vasanti. I usually use anybody else's second-hand toothbrush who when they're finished with it because I don't care. I'm very rough and I destroy it very fast. Frankly speaking, I think toothbrushing is
Okay.
also
See,
overrated as an
I
experience.
always knew that you're a very sharing person. So I just want to,
I'm very good for the economy. Vasanti, if you leave aside hygiene and moral standards, I'm actually very good because everything I'm happy to recycle and use. I never blink about those things.
That's
I'll
not
use
good for the economy. It's
it.
good for the economy when new goods are
Okay. Oh,
produced.
sorry. It's good for the ecology,
no,
not for the economy.
in this
Uh,
case, the verdict has to be left to the dentist.
I don't go to the dentist. It costs money. It should be free. When the country gives us free medical, I'll go to the dentist. Why should I go
Dude,
to the dentist?
I'm
They charge you
sorry, but
10,000 rupees to look at your mouth. What
yeah,
the hell?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sorry, but the tooth pain is the most severe pain that there ever exists in
I know
this
you've
world.
been twice in
And
the lockdown.
I have
Uh,
been twice in the lockdown. I have teeth issues, right? I mean, like I have a whole bunch of issues which are this.
It's okay if you don't have
let's
teething
discuss them.
issues. You don't.
Vasanti was running late. Please discuss every moment of health. This is
I'm
the show for
saying that
that.
I'm
Yeah.
saying it's okay to have teeth issues, but to have no teething issues with this program. That's my wise words for
Okay, that's a good.
How our standards have just fallen every week. You were the one blaze of sunshine, and now you're just one of us trying to pun left, right, and center. But so we come back to hygiene later, and let's get into Vasanti's hard
Yeah,
work.
yeah,
And
absolutely.
she's the only
Thank you.
person of substance on the show, with due respect to two of you. Vasanti, we salute you. The Hyun sang. You insist on this reference even in your article. The Hyun sang of our times. But this is what now the 27th phase of the election. It's just not ending.
Yeah.
34 seats from today, from what I read.
Yeah. See, so I in fact have a list of the places that are going to vote today, right? So if anyone is watching your show, the show right, yeah,
Nice,
besides all
nice.
of us and our spouses or parents,
Too late.
I
You
hope.
insulted me. Go on.
I hope. So I'm saying that let's just look at what are the places that are going to the polls today, 26th of April.
Mhm.
There is Malda, there is Murshidabad, there is West Burdwan, South Kolkata, South Dinajpur. The South Dinajpur, by the way, is the north of Bengal. For those who are trying to grope around the geography of
That
West
would be fun
Bengal.
pre-Google because you just take the south word and you go southern and
Yeah.
then oops.
No, also the first point being West Bengal is to the east of the country. That
That's
will
true.
be the starting point. So
Well, so I
after
West
know
that,
Bengal
that
is a very tricky place if you're a trekker. Good to know. Yeah.
I remember seeing this video somewhere once, right, where people showed people images of West Bengal and Bangladesh and asked them to identify Bengal, and almost all of them picked Bangladesh.
Which
yeah,
which
yeah.
which means we shouldn't have separated. That was what the people are saying.
Nee, this is to be expected. There are routine such polls that television channels, especially Hindi television channels, are very fond of doing. And I remember one particularly which said that Valmiki Ramayan ko kisne likha?
Oh.
And, and I think nine people very, very confidently were wondering, except Valmiki, there was everybody else in the.
But it's a trick question if you don't know. Suppose you have no idea about Valmiki or the Ramayana. It's possible that you didn't figure out that that it means he's written the Ramayana.
Yeah,
You
so,
know,
so
it's
likewise,
possible.
West Bengal must be somewhere in the west. So, so of course, today we are talking about all these constituencies with,
Wasn't there a move? Sorry, now that you brought it up. Sorry to digress. Wasn't there a move to change it from West Bengal to Bengal just a year back, just before the COVID thing happened last year?
See, Miss Yuan Sang, as somebody remarked on my social media, Lady Singham traveling into.
Wow, the two different, absolute.
Yeah.
One is like the Ajay Devgan sort of morphing, and
Correct.
Hyun sang the Traveler. Okay.
Correct. And in fact, if someone's good at graphics and stuff, I would love to see a mask around Hyun Sang's face, him traveling, across India.
He might have had it because of the dust and all. We don't know the truth. Yeah.
So I'm saying that I'm not so sure whether that move was really something which was just rumored. I don't think so. I think people are at peace. That's the least of the problems that West Bengal now has. Cyrus.
Really?
To change from West Bengal to Bengal. I mean, frankly, Bengal has got much other things on its mind and its heart. And, the last two phases, tomorrow and the 29th, are like that filled with suspense. It's been an inordinately long and pulled and stretched election. Some would say this is politics at play just to kind of wear out the ruling party. All sorts of conspiracy theories are out.
Okay, let's look at that for a second. What you said. So the longer they play, it's game BJP is what the idea is.
See, I personally don't understand what this theory is. Let's say I'm poor at understanding conspiracy theories, so it can actually go either way. But all I know is that the people of the state, or at least the people who get posted to poll duty, like I know I now have a good friend called Harunul Rahman in Murshidabad, and he is on poll duty. And he was saying it is just so exhausting because also remember that the Election Commission has a new rule. I mean, it's been in place. It's not new, maybe about 2-3 years. But if a person if a voter is above 80 years of age, then it is the onus is on the Election Commission to take. It's like to quote a proverb, it's mountain goes to Muhammad, which means to say that the machinery goes to the house
How?
of the place, which means.
Are you kidding?
You carry that EV. I mean not EVM. Yeah, maybe the EVM.
Yeah, the EVM.
It
It's,
is
small,
EVM
it's not
only.
that big. Yeah.
Still BJP government in the center, Vasanti. You've been too Bangla-sized. Huh?
Listen. That's one thing which Harun said, that nobody can mess around with the EVM, and I will take his word for it because
I would double down on that too, right? I mean, like
We've had lots of
EVMs.
fights over EVM being tampered with. Can you not?
The Indian EVM specifically cannot be tampered with. Okay, I mean, like there are others which can be, but the Indian EVMs, they're so dumb that you can't.
Like the Indian economy or the Indian sense of democracy, you can't tamper with anything that's Indian.
You can't, because that stuff is built to kind of access from 100 different directions.
We're the most flexible people in the world in that sense. What are you saying? Anyway, let's get back to Vasanti.
What is not flexible though is the EVM and its data and the secrets that it holds. I'm taking the word of people who actually get into so many meetings, and then there are trials, and just to see that nobody can mess around with that.
The software is audited on a regular basis too, right? I mean, like they look into that software, and there's just no way to connect.
Why did Germany, Japan, and a couple of other advanced countries say no to EVM?
Because they're morons.
Amit
No,
Doshi,
not
give me
morons.
proper arguments.
Okay, you want an actual argument? It's because of people like you. It's very easy. It's very easy to make arguments about hacking and stuff like that, right? And the counter argument, which I've been trying to make to you for the 5 years we've known each other, does not penetrate.
1 second. We're talking about Japan and Germany. These two countries who above all countries are about efficiency and not emotionally invested in their science. The science is science. So that it's separate from any emotional, reaction, which is us. I accept that. Me, anybody. If they've rejected it on a basis of science and performance, then there has to be some sort of mechanical issue.
They're not rejecting it on the basis of science and performance, because there is no rejection of it on the basis of science and performance. A dumb EVM, the kind that India has, which does not connect to any network, which does not have any software in it at all, other than one which can count. Button press means count here, button press means count here. That's the only thing it can do.
You're saying it's so basic in function, it can't be tampered with.
It can be tampered with. There's no tampering it. It either works or it doesn't work.
It's like Rakhi Sawant. What you see is what you get. They can't do much more with that. Okay, we'll leave it there. Vasanti, get back into the conversation.
I'm sorry, Vasanti.
Let me know when you get done with your talk.
No, but your point was that they'll bring the machine to the elderly and then thereby get more closer to 100% vote.
Not just that. So essentially, what noble intentioned rule, but as always has its repercussions. He was saying that every time you have to go to a voter's home, which means there are resources involved. There are 6 to 7 of
logistics,
these people who have to go to these villages, carrying that stuff. And he was saying, how valid is this? The COVID risk that comes along. Plus, there are at least 2 of the army men who accompany. The security has to go along with the booth. So it's actually quite not just a paraphernalia. It's almost like a mini jamboree. And so to get to my basic point of what is the election process, we all celebrate our democracy as we rightfully should, and it's really, in terms of scale, it's so massive, largest among the world. But when a state such as West Bengal has its phases that stretch from, I think, March 27th to April 29th,
It'll outbid the COVID pandemic.
Mind-boggling resources and energy and time and money and everything. And so my thing is that, having traveled 17 days through this state, that I hope it all comes to count, that on 2nd of May, when the votes are counted, finally the best person amongst the not so good would have still come to will come to power in Bengal.
May 1st is Maharashtra Day. May 2nd will be Bengal Day. What happens to May 3rd?
May 3rd will the rest of India either brood or celebrate day, depending on what your ideology
But
is.
you've not given us a correlation, Vasanti, between the point that you sort of made about the longer it runs, the better chance for the central government as against the TMC.
Cyrus, the only point that I was making is that I don't necessarily agree that stretching the elections favors BJP and goes against TMC. I think I am yet to hear a very logical argument
That's what.
for that. But then there are people like in Bengal. I was just saying that, okay, what is the point of having this kind of a long drawn election process when it could have been easily finished in probably 2 or 3? I mean, you have had.
So what was the reason? To encourage more people, because you sort of focus on for few areas at a time. What is the reason?
I don't think the reason is out.
For free and fair elections, what?
So obviously, which is why it is open to conjecture. You see, the thing is, the reason why it's seen as pro-ruling party is that TMC, Mamta Didi included, has always alluded that the election commission will therefore be, the loads will be in favor of the ruling party, which is why this whole stretched process and the need to kind of, campaign, make sure that each of these constituencies, therefore you have to devote all your strength to make sure that, whatever gains that you're making in a certain area, like Murshidabad, there are, pockets of Bengal, for instance, that are seen as majority of the minority communities, which is where TMC is said to be strong. There is North Bengal, which is considered to be strong for BJP. I have also written in my piece saying that I don't really go by, some of these might just be cliches. I'll tell you one example. I know I've not answered your long drawn election.
No, I just wanted to ask you whether North Bengal is in the south, because now you confused me. So I just wanted to clear that.
Right. North Bengal is in the south.
Is it? I'm asking you. I don't know. I have no idea.
South Dinajpur is in the north.
Okay, fair enough. So it doesn't always hold true.
That is voting today is in the north.
Okay. Sorry.
It is just the south of Dinajpur.
The south of the north is still the south, in a sense.
Yeah, I think we should have Amit. We should have a separate geography for Cyrus Brocha show.
I went through the article. I want to talk about the tiger, and then I read that you said I met a tigress. A tigress is a human being. It was a metaphor. I was so upset. I thought you actually met a tigress. This was lovely. You're there in the middle of north or south or whatever. And what 3,000?
You're not disappointed.
That's not a tiger. Tigers aren't on trees. That's a leopard.
It's a cat.
That's a house cat.
It's a closest that could. It's from an MP national park.
Okay.
God,
We've gone all over the place. We were talking about Murshidabad actually, which is a contentious place, just before we segued.
Yes, so I'm saying that when I visited Murshidabad, I was in fact in Baharampur. I visited places like Kandi. I also was in a place called Raghunath Ganj, which is a cluster where many women beedi makers, those who roll the beedi, they are there. I spent a considerable amount of the day with them to understand what their conditions are like. Meanwhile, of course, trying to get the political mahal of that district and trying to understand the Muslim voters' mind, so to speak. So these are some of the things that I had set for myself as a homework, saying as a journalist and as a commentator, can I kind of, no, don't stop. before I finish my sentence, ask your dog not to bark.
Not listening. My question was only that because I think it's a fallacy that people vote collectively, like the black community in America or the Muslim community in Bengal. Is that right to say the dynamics of political
Yes and no.
thought that people just vote as a
Okay.
cluster?
Okay, so here's my take. But before that, let me just finish that sentence, what I was saying.
Okay.
Which is that the North Bengal, which many people in the BJP feel very happy about. It's almost like some of my friends, those who know Bengal a lot better. I don't know as much. Like North Bengal to BJP ka hai. Matlab, this is because, you're historically going by what the past elections have been. However, as much as it looked BJP, because when I was in Murshidabad, which is let's say to the eastern, it was the Ganga Tat, it's on the banks of the Ganga, just to kind of physically describe to you those who have never been to Murshidabad. And then from Murshidabad, you're going right up there. You're crossing the Farakka barrage. You're going to Malda, and then you're going to Dinajpur. Then you're going to Darjeeling, Siliguri, Kuch Bihar, and all these places, just to kind of place these geographically. However, when we entered North Bengal, north of Murshidabad, for the first time, I began to see BJP, banners, Modi ji's hoardings, which I had not seen in Murshidabad. Frankly, I don't think I saw a lotus in Murshidabad, even as terms of campaign. Now, to answer your question, do people collectively vote as a bloc? I did visit a village called Tarakpur, and I asked to be there because I was saying that, please, can you just take me to a place where there are lots of Muslim voters? And what is the mood there? I mean, is it what we outside Bengal think what it is? And then it really turned out quite true in the sense they would not say a word beyond Didi. They did not entertain a line. Like when I was saying, I actually sat down at this tea shop and I said, बस मैं ये समझना चाहती हूँ कि they said नहीं दीदी ने सब कुछ किया. And then of course there is Kannoshri, Swasthashri, etc. Now this was somewhat similar, whichever place I was visiting in Murshidabad district, that we will vote for Didi, except there was this place called Raiganj. Sorry, not Raiganj. The place name slips me. This was on the way to.
We won't be able to clarify what the place is because we have no idea. So you can say anything you want. Silvery has no idea.
Besides the four of us, I can tell you that there are some dedicated Bengal watchers watching the show today because there is now a group called Pickle Jar in Bengal. And I told all of them, hey, Cyrus is doing a Bengal special and they want to test your knowledge of Bengal. So all of them are
please tell me it's not a dominant female group for more humiliation for me.
No, there may be a lot of those fans of yours on that group. They're all watching. So for that sake, I was giving such details. However, I must say that in pockets of North Bengal, closer to Siliguri, I actually spoke to an Azim Premji University professor, Dr. Adil Hussain, who has gone back from Bangalore to Islampur to cast his vote. And if you ask him, the surroundings in where he was voting was quite different. I mean, you would not say it was pro-BJP, what the sentiment was in his place. I was trying to understand from him.
He didn't commit.
To understand from different people, what is it like? Because obviously I have not been physically able to watch this. Darjeeling, again, there was a lot of anger against the BJP, particularly because they had been voted to power. 2009, BJP first got its Lok Sabha seat ever in West Bengal, in Darjeeling. And they felt that the BJP had let them down, that the tea plantations, the minimum wages, the workers' rights, and of course the rights of the Gorkhas were not, the BJP did nothing about that. And ulta, unko ye bhi gussa tha ki we are being considered Nepalis. Why? I mean, our foremothers were in this tea plantation, and now we are being othered in this whole, NRC debate, there's this whole outsider debate.
That will cost them.
There are nuances which I found, which I have placed on record for anybody who's keen, while I'm putting out the disclaimer saying that, Baba, I am not a psephologist, I'm a journalist, I can only tell you what I'm
You're
seeing.
Hyun Sang, you're a traveler. You're a neutral person. You're just traveling and opening, the prism to the world sort of thing. And we respect that. That's the way it should be, actually. We don't want judgment. You're just telling us what they are saying. We're not asking you ever for your judgment.
Thank you for relieving me, because people are forever asking me the numbers.
No, that wouldn't be fair. That wouldn't be
Yeah,
fair
well,
also, because you're
Vasanti,
trying to be a neutral person who's watching something happen. You shouldn't have a prejudice in a sense.
Exactly.
Yeah.
was there a sense of pandemic affecting things one way or the other from the elected
Amit
perspective?
Doshi.
Of
It's
course,
like
No,
a
I'm
child is on the
curious.
program. Are you
I'm
mad?
curious.
Amit,
Elections are in full swing. They don't care.
No. As in, like, did the handling of the pandemic give either a pro TMC or a pro BJP tint in either sense? Does anybody think that
Is anyone discussing that? Is that
is
a
that
political?
yeah, is that an issue?
it wasn't. I mean, see, it's a week since I got back, and when I was there, pandemic wasn't there in West Bengal at all.
Hmm.
At least in Karnataka, we have lovely chin masks. You know, they that adorn the chin. That's where the virus comes.
I'm a big fan of that chin
I saw
movement.
that. Yeah,
Yeah.
very pretty.
You're a sang, I'm a chin.
And kalamkari mask, which we're here. You know, the dadi mask. In Bengal, Hobina, there was no pandemic. There was nothing at all. Except 2 days before I left, everybody was suddenly, saying that, "Oh, Shahzada Hora, what are you doing here? I think you should get back to Bangalore." And when I got my RT-PCR test done, I was chanting all my prayers simply because I did not want to get quarantined in a
Did,
flat in
did,
Calcutta.
did you wear your mask throughout these? Because you've gone to all kinds of people and
Photographic evidence there is I am even if I was a wee bit careless, people who are watching all those Facebook live or whatever we were putting out
And
of Bikuja, they were
the
genuine.
vigilantes.
They were so
I love the vigilantes. You'll be talking about 36 dead in a landslide, and they'll be like, "Please wear your mask." I love that. I just love that.
Yeah,
That's all they.
no, and the thing is that right now things are not good in Kolkata at all, as we have spoken to. It's not good anywhere, and I mean, in a way, I must confess that even coming to your show, as I told a friend of mine, it feels guilty to even literally smile and laugh at a time, and so many of our friends are going through what they are going. People who don't even know. In Chennai, for instance, in Bangalore, many of our media friends have been tested COVID positive and have been hospitalized and are still some of them are still trying to find a hospital bed. And I know Mumbai and Delhi could be much worse, and from whatever we see on the media. So I'm saying Kolkata, I think, will have a different picture post May 2nd. This is just my instinct.
I think what Amit is actually asking. Vasanthi, sorry to interrupt, but what he's asking actually is, do you think that'll, against the run of play, will this at the last minute with the two voting things left, two phases left, do you think that makes a difference? Suddenly they'll think pandemic both ho gaya, government is not done enough. Will that play into TMC's favor?
No.
Or vice versa, them being the state government?
These are two separate elements. One is whether the pandemic is going to affect, let's say, the voting pattern in these remaining constituencies.
Yes.
I doubt it. I'll tell you why. First of all, as I was having a chat with even this journalist, Orijit, who used to, be a former colleague, he was also with the TV channel that I work for. And he, of course, is a Bengali. And as well. So I was just telling him, what is the mood like? I don't think anybody is really stopping to go out to vote, was his sense. And that's also indicative of the political participation that has been classically high in Bengal, unlike this state from where I am. That I think that fervor to just go out and make your vote count is very much there.
Political consciousness of sorts. Yeah.
Let me give you one more example. Again, in Islampur and that region of North Dinajpur, which was voting a couple of days back, also, there was actually a storm in the morning of the voting. And like Dr. Adil was saying, he's saying that it's a very typical storm. It's called Kal Boishakhi. Kal Boishakhi. People who are watching are going to see me massacre this lovely
term. Is this a Baisakhi?
Boishak. You don't ever say Baisak in Bengali, do you?
I don't know. I'm learning. I'm just asking questions, ma'am.
So Kal Boishakhi is a name for storm. They name storms also so lyrically in Bengal. And this storm is typically this time of the year when it comes.
Outside Bengal, we name the storm Didi, but that's another story. Yeah.
So even that storm did not actually stop. By the time he went out at noon to cast his vote, he saw the people had turned out in large numbers at polling booths.
So come hail or high water, they will vote.
Yeah. So that's a kind of commitment.
Good.
So now whether that heavy turnout of vote really is in favor of TMC or whether it will go in favor of BJP or that unspoken alliance of the Congress and the left and the Indian Secular Front and Abbas Siddiqui, I am not the expert. I won't even venture to go out to say that.
It's a Dream 11 question. Who do you put into your 11, BJP or TMC? It's a very good question. I would ponder on that for a while. But what I wonder whether Vasanti doesn't want to commit, because last time she sort of committed, or whether she actually is not sure where the tide is turning, if it's turning at all.
No,
So-
I can see. I mean, having put out all the disclaimer, I can be really safe. Even though I may have no clue after. I mean, I might be just as confused as I was when I was entering Bengal on the 1st of April. Which of these parties?
But if you were betting, which is illegal and you should never do that, what would you put your money on? I mean,
what's
that's
the money? Let's talk about that. How much is the money I'm getting, and then let me.
okay. Let's for the sake, let's create money here, which doesn't
No,
exist.
I want it all.
This is a bit like the Ponzi schemes. I'm creating money. So here's 10 lakhs. You got 10 lakhs.
That's-
And the odds, I suppose, were initially against the BJP, but it soon became almost odds on.
No. The Satta Bazaar has been heavily betting, its odds in favor of BJP.
Amit, how does she know about the Satta Bazaar after all this innocence? It's a little fishy, yeah, the whole thing. Is that the game? Are you a part of the Dream 11? What's going on?
This is the time you think of multiplying your already immense wealth, Cyrus.
Vasanti ki, what's the answer now, Baba? Are you going BJP or TMC? Now 5 down, 2 to play.
No, I can't. You see, this is what it is. And
This is not a support. This is a guess about who's winning as someone on the ground. It's like I'm asking you for today's match, KKR versus Sunrisers or whatever. Who's
so
winning?
not falling for your trap. You see,
But let's
let's say tonight Arnab interviews me and say the nation wants to know who's winning, Didi or Modi. I will still find a way out. I've just learned these clever tricks to not fall.
It's just an educated guess. It's a sample study, percentile play sort of thing. We're not holding you to it because obviously, but you have been across the length and breadth. So there's a certain element of truth which will be there.
See, if I'm visiting, districts from Sundarbans in one line, and I have no clue about what's happening in East Bergman. I've not visited, Nadia. I have not visited. I have not visited places like, let's say, Birbhum, which is going to vote tomorrow. I can't.
Fair enough. You can't visit every single little chalk that there is.
I have an immense reputation and credibility.
No, but you have, you did last time. You gave us a sort of educated guess from what you gather, just the feeling you gather on ground.
Let me therefore.
Has it changed? Or is it the same status quo?
Changed from when? From 2016 or 17?
Last time you said you favored TMC slightly. We can play it for you over BJP, but not by much.
I didn't favor anybody.
No. Okay, wrong words, wrong phrasing. This is your educated guess as to who's going to win, not who you're supporting. No one's ever asking you that. We live in very strange times. None of us ever commit to that. I've never mentioned that I voted for Shiv Sena in the last election and now I'm angry about the lockdown, so I will not vote for them again.
I'm very honored that, what I think of who's going to win Bengal is a...
But Yoon Sang writes about the culture. So you've gone through everything. So as Yoon Sang, give us an educated guess.
So can I give you, like in Murshidabad, it's...
No, that's unfair. That you already told us that that's a landslide. And I totally accept that.
No, but you know something? Even if I say Murshidabad TMC, I may be absolutely wrong. Because the Congress there, for a change, has a great chance.
So they'll cut the votes.
No, not just in... I mean, Congress has traditionally had a stronghold in Murshidabad. And so essentially, even if I say that, it's not entirely true is what I'm trying to say. However, if you really want to hold me to what I had said in the first time when I just had gone out to a couple of districts.
No, there were more than a couple. Anyway.
I felt from the south of Bengal, the TMC has the edge over BJP.
Exactly. That's the phrase you used. I'll stick with that. So you're still saying TMC has the edge, but it's a close call and fair enough. I think you've done the right thing. Yes. Don't worry about it. We'll edit it. If what we'll do is we'll only play the, if TMC wins, we'll play this line. If they don't, we won't play this line in future broadcasts.
Yeah. And nobody would have of course recorded this.
No, nobody.
course.
And our live is not too many people watch us live because of all this fear of a pandemic. They're worried to go through us. Oh, by the way, guys, it's
Yeah, let's take a
10:35,
break.
way past our break time.
Way
Yeah.
past, and I can see Antariksh trying to kind of hold the
Stop
mic
it.
and
Yeah.
say a word in between.
He's so sweet. He won't cross a line of disrespect, but he'll hint as much as he can in a very respectful way. That doesn't work in India because he didn't notice. Anyway, what to
All right.
do? Are we
Let's take
going
a
to a
break.
break?
Yeah, let's take a
Yeah,
break and we have
let's
to do the
do
cred ad.
Should we say bye to Vasanti now
Yes.
and
I
let her
think
go
so.
on a
Vasanti
merry
had
way?
a-
She's off to find tigers and tigresses.
Yeah,
And
I should show the tiger. I mean the big cat.
Is that a tiger?
it's not a tiger. No tigers on a tree
Yeah, it's a tiger.
except Tiger
Tigers are
Shroff.
on. No, tigers are on trees. Do you remember Jungle Book,
Play the guessing
the
game.
movie?
Just a low tree for they're not
Yeah.
climbers.
Dude,
600
tigers are
pounds.
climbers. Tigers are climbers.
Only to a point. There's no way they'll be on. Tree is a leopard territory. Tigers and lions
Okay.
don't climb.
Let's take a break, and when we come back, I'll find.
Please write
Google
in and tell us if
pictures.
you think that tigers and lions can climb trees all the way up and then hang out there. Just
Yeah,
because
no,
of
I just-
the
I
cartoon
just
version
thought-
of Jungle
I
Book
just
has
thought-
destroyed Amit's mind. Sorry, Vasanti.
I just thought it is so symbolic because the last time when everyone was making fun of Didi and her broken ankle, she roared in that speech saying that Army Bengal Tiger, Army Bhayankar. So I thought that this just has to capture
But
the
Not to take the BJP side, but there's a poignant moment there which you haven't seen, which is catch a tiger by its tail, and the tail is hanging. So remember that. You've left that.
what interpretation of another league and level.
I'm raised on the great classics, Shakespeare and Woody Allen. You can't go wrong. We'll take a quick break. We'll be back in a second. Oh, we are
So
back.
Am I to now suitably vanish into the background?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Thanks to Vasanti, and now you can vanish into the background. Go back to your work. You're doing actual work. Two
Thank you. all.
sets of areas left for you to.
Happy to answer questions later if Antariksh will probably forward them to
For me, Vasanti, if TMC wins by a small margin, then you are like the soothsayer because you're now a cephalogist. You're confirmed. All going whether it's Murshidabad here or some small place there, drawn from everywhere correctly. So there'll be a lot of respect. Your rate will go up as a cephalogist on channels.
And I will give credit to your show. I will never forget to say that at every given chance. Actually, it so happened that in Tamil Nadu, and in Karnataka Lok Sabha elections, I did get some of those numbers right. Out of the 24 Lok Sabha seats, etc. So some people actually trust my word. Now you know why I have suddenly started.
So there are two things: getting the seat right, victory per seat specifically, and getting the big.
So naturally, I have some advantage.
It was pre-planned, is it?
And it happened.
Fair enough. All right. If you know who's going to win beforehand, tell us because we have our own Dream 11 in politics. Me and Silvery and Amit play. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Vasanti. Really
We're saying
appreciate
bye
it.
to Vasanti. She's off to work again. The 6th or 7th phase has started in Bengal as we speak. So she's off to do her Hyun Sang work.
Can I use your show to plug one last line?
Yes.
Please plug everything.
Okay. See, on the Indian Express, there are going to be some special videos of the voices of Bengal that I shot. Some of them are absolutely adorable. There is this bangle seller from Bagdogra, Munni Khatun, for instance, who has spoken so well. There was also Anup Mishra from Siliguri. There are people who we met along the way. There was one boy, in fact, who wanted to be a soldier like his dad. He just cleared his army prelims. So now going from here, the work I'm going to do is to collate all that we shot. I as a solo traveler managed to get some of those voices, and Indian Express is very kindly agreed to at least put out some of those. I don't know how much will actually pass muster, but it will be, and it'll be great to have all of you watching that.
I will make it into a web series on Amazon. I'm working with them every day. I've got lots of influence right now. You worry not. With Indian Express, we'll take it to Amazon, put you on OTT, 32-part web series, first season.
This part I'm certainly recording and playing it out all on my social media.
Now it's just a question of discussing rates, which we'll do offline because Silvery and Amit are not going to make anything on it, so I don't want to embarrass them. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Vasanti.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Vasanti.
you so much.
That's it. It was supposed to be 10 minutes. It turned out to be 40. This is why I don't talk to the ladies anymore. Every time I have an argument with a woman, it goes 1 into 4. Every time. And Silvery, you haven't even spoken. Imagine if you had joined the party.
Yeah.
Let's take
got
a
a
break.
message.
Let's do the ad, and
No.
then after that,
Yeah.
We have taken the break. We're back from the break.
we have not
But
done the ad yet.
We're
though.
not on the cred ad.
Okay, so now we're in the break. Just to be clear, all three on the same page. And I've got a nice message which I'm not making up. It came to me in the dream last night because I was, after the heat of the day, I got this AC and cooled my brain. I could speak. And this is the dream. And it's true. It's a dream that's come true. The Cred Mega Jackpot Week has got me way too excited. I will now show you my excited face. There you go. From 3 years of free flights, 3 years of free flights granted after lockdown, to winning a new Tata Safari car, which you see on the IPL television sets on the IPL matches every day. There are tons of prizes to be won. You can even win free iPhones for the next 10 years. 10 years, not one. For 10 years, you can keep winning iPhones. I mean, my daughter will never have to go shopping again. And this I really mean because she loves iPhones. Cred Mega Jackpot Week is from the 27th of April to the 3rd of May. New jackpots will be received every day and crazy offers from partner brands on specific days. So stay with us. We'll keep giving you good news. Don't miss out. Just download Cred. And now for my download Cred song. Download Cred. That's it. Message received, hopefully.
Cool.
People are clapping everywhere. Thank you for that. That was beautiful. Has
Yeah.
changed my life. And now we can come back part 2.
Yeah.
Vasanti, my God.
I will show you the tigers in the trees.
Okay. But they're
As
low.
part of-
They're not climbing
They're
trees.
climbing. They're high, man. I mean, like,
This is the first branch of a tree. He's a 600-pound guy. He can't just climb the top of the tree.
so he's not going to climb all the way to, like, he's not like a
I didn't say
monkey,
they don't
of
climb at
course.
all. I said they can climb a little bit. They scratch they sharpen their claws and all and keep them in.
So that's on the trunk of the tree. Now, see this is like a legit climb over here, man.
It's hardly
There-
it's six. It's what I can climb. Me and a tiger climb the same amount on a tree. It's nothing to it.
But I mean, like, it's a real climb. It's not just.
What an
it's-
ego, Amit Doshi. You couldn't let it lie. You had
I
to go
couldn't.
and find 3 tigers over the last
It's
100
not
years.
three.
to
I
climb.
just did a search on Google, tigers climbing trees, and I did the image thing. And
I'm
the
going
whole
to get
first
Bittu Sehgal
stage.
and Valmik Thapa, who are the 1 and 2 biggest tiger people of India. I will get them on this show and I will prove to you that they don't climb trees. Remember this argument. Remember this
Okay.
argument? Sylvia, I'm sending you Bittu's number after the show. We can
Sure.
get in the middle. We should talk about animals from
We
time to
should.
time.
Yep.
Yeah, we
absolutely.
should.
Yeah. But let's get back to our show. We're really running late, I suppose. But before AMAs, there's 1 or 2 stories we can quickly squeeze in because you work
Yep,
so hard.
sure. Yep, absolutely. Vasanti was just talking about Bengal elections. There's a
Huh.
thing about the BJP in Bengal have announced. They have said that they will make vaccines freely available for everyone in Bengal if they win the election.
But didn't the TMC do the same thing?
The TMC also did the same thing, but they did it like in not the same words. The BJP was very like just blatant about their phrasing. TMC said it in a way that could be considered okay.
But
They'll
what you're
come
saying is
nonetheless.
they said, I vote us in and you will not have to pay for your vaccine or whatever. So softer
Yeah.
phrasing. And these guys said, if we win, then you get free. If we lose, you pay. That's what you're
No,
saying.
but
That's the
the thing
interpretation.
is that there's no other way to say it now because you don't have any power if you don't win. If you win, only you can give the vaccine for free because the state government has to buy the
No, but
vaccine.
it's a little ridiculous now that they should even have this
Listen,
conversation.
are you
All
asking me
vaccines
about
should be free.
the vaccine should be free or not should not be an election issue whatsoever, right? So the ridiculousness of that I acknowledge completely, right? But
I was doing the
The-
maths at $500 a pop when it gets privatized. A
Huh.
person who has a family of 5, 6, 7, which is normally one breadwinner, let's face it, in India, you're
Hmm.
looking at 3, 5 to 4 grand bill into 2. So 8 grand bill, and then he's not allowed to work. It's a decent bill for a lower middle class person,
it's not I think you'll see a lot of subsidies on this, right? I mean, like Covaxin and Covishield will continue to be extremely subsidized. You'll see a lot
Or
of
small
subsidies.
gifts. Indians like gifts. Give them the syringe after it's over to take home. Something like that. So you at least feel that you got something.
so
out of
that
it.
you can shoot up with heroin.
I didn't say that, but there are the
What
odd
else are
person
you-
who's thinking life sucks right now. Silvery smiled immediately when you mentioned it for some reason. Silvery, you don't do all this shit, do you? Mom's
No,
listening. Huh.
No, I don't. Never. Never would I do this.
Except for little alcohol, you've not done anything bad, have you?
Never. Alcohol also, only beer and wine.
And that too
Mostly.
half a glass and then you stop.
Yeah,
immediately.
exactly. And
Alright,
never
alright.
drink and drive.
What a sweet guy, yeah. Because it's lockdown, so you shouldn't be doing either. Anyway,
Of course.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
So that was one. Another one is that last week we had talked about the red, yellow, green sticker, the emergency stickers thing that Mumbai Police has started. This Saturday they discontinued it also.
I sent my
And,
message to Amit immediately saying it was the pressure of our media barrage, our
Yeah,
blitz on them. And also my TV show, I think 3 or 4 kids were on it. It was quite embarrassing because the show
because
goes on on Saturday and then it's out by Saturday evening.
it
Yeah.
was the stupidest policy that in a host of stupid policies
It-
that local governments across the country have done over this pandemic. This is probably one of the like signature stupid policies.
Absolutely. And it's also, if you think of it, it's infantile, which is one thing to be stupid or wrong, but to be infantile and it's almost like a juvenile suggestion. You know, like a 5-year-old has come up with this plan. "Color sticker dalo, fir aap bhag sakta hai." You know, I mean,
I
it's
what's the benefit? What do you
no,
get out of it?
just more
There's
harassment.
no benefit to the cops. There's no benefit from a
What
traffic
cops?
management
They're going to
perspective.
spend the whole day looking and matching colors. I mean, come
But,
on, yeah,
but for
really.
what? I mean, it's
Really.
just moronic. There's no sense to it, right? It was just the dumbest policy
But
that.
can I tell you
Uh,
all the sorry, the takeaway from this?
Hmm.
In the morning, walking the dogs, lots of people have kept the stickers on. Just see how we Indians are. We're so
Who's gonna
conservative.
take them
They're not,
off?
yeah, not, no, because you said one thing, then you said another thing, but they're not taking any chance.
No,
I'll keep
but
my sticker on. So
dude,
lots of stickers have not come off.
have you if you put like one of those stickers which actually stays on a car
It's tough to take
windshield,
it off. Yeah.
You
those
never take them off.
stickers take hard to take off. Yeah, you need
Yeah.
to like
Without those remnants left. Yeah.
yeah,
But I
you
just
have
feel
to
bad. I feel bad for someone who went out on Friday to get the sticker and then on Saturday it gets discontinued. The poor guy's like, dude, I did all this
My
mehnat,
neighbor,
found a
Anu,
stationery that was open still, like did
no,
all
my,
the
my neighbor
fitting.
Anup, he went and made it himself. He went and collected the stuff. He's so irritated about the whole thing, and immediately within 1 hour
Yeah,
it was cancelled. Of
yeah,
course,
exactly.
Kunal's cousin Rahul, very lovely man who owns Mr. Chow, he put both yellow and red, saying that he is a petrol pump owner as well as a restaurateur. That
ah.
irritated the cops.
Wow,
They
yeah, of
were
course.
like, but he was like, I want to show off, you know. मैं तो इधर भी हूँ, मैं तो इधर भी हूँ, मैं तो सब जगह में हूँ. I'm rang birangi, and he did all that very nicely. And then the cops said, but why? Who does that? You choose one and you put one on. Why are you putting two colors? And for that they stopped it because nobody else put two colors on. But I thought about that's also a very Indian thing, you know, the
Yeah,
safety. I'll put the second color also. I'm valid. Yeah. Wow. Anyway, that's
that's
done.
okay.
I think
Yeah.
I would like to commend all of you all for supporting us against the color bar. Like I wrote in my gag today, which I hope we'll put on air. The only color they should be talking about is orange, which Shiv Sena should take back from BJP. You know, that's a steal if ever I saw one. I mean, if I woke up from a coma 20 years back, like I was telling people, Parsis voting for Shiv Sena. 25 years ago, they hated Shiv Sena. Now they are happily voting for Shiv Sena, which puts everything in perspective. Similarly, Mamta, somebody wants Mamta to win.
Yeah.
20 years back, you wouldn't think about that. Mamta is like a, I don't use the word neo-fascist, but come on, she's Mamta.
She
But,
is.
but
But that is just an indication of how far we have come with where we're at,
yeah,
right? I mean,
let's leave
like,
it there. I mean, it's just not, there's not,
yeah,
there's not
yeah.
needs,
There's no need to go any further.
no point, honestly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I want to visit
But
Darjeeling one way or the other at some point. Chalo, ye mein beta, पौने
yeah,
ग्यारह हो
yes,
गया,
yes.
48.
Yes,
हाँ.
let's go. So we have some great questions. Hopefully we can try and cover at least
Hey,
4 or
so
5 of
I
them.
can I ask the first one? I just saw it
Yes,
on the
please go ahead.
chat right now. This is from Rohit Ramaya, and this is the latest question. So I mean, like, you know, Ankush, do your whole thing as you're
Yep.
doing it, right? But what's your favorite big cat?
Oh, mine?
Yeah.
Lion.
Oh, but asking all three of us.
Mine is lion.
What's your
I'll
favorite?
tell you, the most social of all the big cats is the lion. I like social animals like wolves, lions. And I love the lion's attitude, which is he's the laziest of all the predators. He hunts and humps about 3 times in his life and does nothing else but sleep 22, 23 hours a day.
That's
He's
the
my
male lion.
hero.
Yeah.
Sorry, the male
The male
lion.
lion. The
Yeah.
male lion.
The male lion. And then he has to fight off the young lions. Some of them just walk away from the pride and don't get killed and then just die quietly on the side. So
Yeah.
everything that I want to do is in the lion's life. The leopard
Interesting.
is the hardiest of all. Reinvents himself, survives in Thane and Nalasopara and all
Yeah,
that,
that's
where
great.
rates have gone up thanks to him. The jaguar is actually the strongest bite for bite,
Yeah.
That's
in
my
proportion to
favorite.
its size.
Also, the jaguar hunts from lies in wait to hunt. It's not a.
Not
It's
from
a,
behind
like
like the cat
yeah,
and the
exactly
tiger
right. So I
and
mean, like, I like that, and also, uh, it's the one which has the heaviest four
bite.
stroke bite also,
Yeah.
but four stroke also, right? Like I mean,
Yeah.
like, you know,
In proportion, huh? It's not
yeah.
the tiger is the strongest in
Well, yeah,
everything,
of
but in
course, yeah,
proportion.
yeah.
At
Oh,
250
yeah,
pounds, this is what they deliver.
correct, right.
220, 230 pounds. But yeah, they're fabulous. They're all great.
I
Yeah,
I
you?
really like the liger. You guys have
Yeah,
the
I've seen in Delhi
yeah,
Zoo.
yeah.
Yeah,
In Delhi Zoo,
yeah.
liger.
They let
A
us
lion
pat
tiger.
him. Let us pat.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're bigger
Kion
than
and
both of
liger
them.
both were bred.
Oh
The
yeah,
mo-
exactly. Yeah, so
Mother is lion. Yeah.
tigers are smaller. They're regularly the same
Yeah.
size as a tiger and the lion mother. But
Hmm.
ligers grow to be much bigger than
So there's
both
a
the cats combined.
900-pound liger somewhere. No, in a
Wow.
European or American 100%.
So yeah,
Wow.
again, very interesting creatures. But the males of those species are always sterile. Like they can never reproduce. Apparently.
Really?
Yeah,
It's
that's what
like
I
a
read
mule,
online.
no? Mules also don't
Yeah.
reproduce.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Awesome.
hybrid, the cost
Yeah.
of hybriding.
Yeah.
But come back to just one quick thing. The tiger is the biggest. The lion is not equal to the tiger in size. It's actually smaller. Lion is
Yeah.
more like 450 to 475, 480 pounds at best. And the tiger crosses 600. The Siberian
Yep.
tiger is huge. So the lion tiger fight is unfair sometimes because they're about 20%, 15, 20% heavier and
Well,
little larger.
lions are, no, actually, I guess not. Yeah, I guess tigers are
No, if
more
you get the
ferocious.
same size feline, then it's like
Oh,
why do you have boxing categories or wrestling categories?
right.
It's not fair to have. Yeah, we shouldn't be discussing animal fights. That's terrible. Huh. But
It
nobody
is.
went for the cheetah, who's more like a dog,
Well, the cheetah
very
is just
social.
it's
But
just really fast, right?
it loses all its skills to everybody. The hyena steals
Yeah.
it, the leopard steals it, the lion kills it, and it's fast only for 200 meters. Then its heart is
Yeah.
not strong enough.
Yeah. No, I don't know. I mean, like they're fine. They're great to watch, and I mean, like they're amazing to kind of like watch the video of the cheetah in
Yeah.
flight, or in this. But as a characteristics, which ones do I like the characteristics of more? I've got to say jaguar, man. I
How
just
come no one
really,
went for Tiger Shroff? The old joke. I thought one of you would say that. Because he's also
yeah, that would
quite
be a little
he's like a
poor.
he's got a feline quality about him, the
He
way he
kind of
dances,
does.
and he's very athletic, and everybody likes him. Nobody says a bad word about him, by the way. He's one of those nice guys.
Wasn't there a movie personality named Lion back in the 90s? Like forgetting Bhalla's from Andaz of Ramna, Bhalla's father. Uh, a lion naam hai mera.
No, Lion, that's the
Lion,
joke.
Lion. Okay, sorry.
Ajit the villain.
Okay.
That's a joke, Lion and all. That's all his punning. Yeah.
Okay. My bad. All right.
What else we got? Other
Uh,
questions?
yeah. So then now I'm just starting from the beginning because I have
Hmm.
tons of great ones. This one is comes from Umesh Sable. He says, "Hey, hi Cyrus. Do you miss latecomers in a theater who come 10 to 15 minutes after the film has started and then stamp their feet and then
As
stamp your feet as they pass you to grab their seats with the mobile
It's not that
flashlights?"
in India, 3 things about that, and I do this because in my stand-up comedy thing, I love it when people come in late. It gives me 10 minutes of stuff to do. Honestly, because it's live, everybody's with you, the empathy level and identification from everyone is great. Go for it. In India, as they entered, you realize that they talk to each other while they're walking. They
Yeah.
talk like there's nobody else there, and the
Uh,
movie's on, and they're
Yeah.
just like, Rajesh, it's the last one on the left. Well, it's like louder than the freaking audio on the cinema. I mean, what's going on? It's just, and they always touch you. Nobody makes an effort not to touch you. And nobody ever says, excuse me in Mumbai. Mumbai is not an excuse me city. They just make a face like, that face is enough.
Yeah.
Bas, move on. God, I hate it. I try and bunch up like that. This is before social distancing became a cultural great thing. Oh, don't start me off on that. And then after
It's
they sit, they still talk. Popcorn, Joej? Nahi? Okay. And across 5 seats. Oh, it's a terrible
it's
thing.
one of the reasons why I actually like plays and stuff like that more than movies. I stopped going to a lot of movies just generally, right?
No
Before
etiquette.
the
No etiquette.
no etiquette, yeah. No, so before the pandemic started, so for the last 2 years or so, and this is going to sound ridiculously privileged and all of that because it is. But the only place I went to see movies was at the Inox at Atria for the last couple of years, because you don't have to deal with all this nonsense,
And there are only
right?
6 people there. Any sense of failure keeps you happy, is it?
Huh.
When the business is not doing well, I'm fine. I'll stay here. Excellent. But come on, you must have been a fan of that bed thing where you look up to the stars. The
I
900
like
bucks.
that. I
No,
enjoy that.
I
Yeah,
mean,
it's the
if
same
money is
kind
not
of
an
thing.
issue, I mean that's closest to home as you can get because I can't sit up and watch TV anymore. I'm always in a
Yeah,
three-quarter position.
yeah. No,
How you,
that's why
when
that's
we
so
no, but when
comfortable,
we were
no?
young and sitting like a family watching the same show, we were all in
Oh,
chairs in the hall. We
we
were all
were.
upright.
And again, I think that we'd do that again if we were to go to a movie in some sense, right? I mean, like you would do that, but I
Bro,
really haven't. I haven't been to any of
there's a
the other
the more
theaters in a
passive
long
your
time
body
now.
is, the better you enjoy the show. Let's face it. Yeah.
That's true. And also, I like honestly, you don't have to worry about other people talking too much because over there, you ring the bell, the waiter comes to you, you tell them what you want. It's just the experience is different. And I just really,
I was
if I were,
so
No.
So go on.
No, I go. I'm just saying. I mean, like, I feel like I need to make an excuse for this. I go for 5 movies a year. If I was going for 30 movies a year, then
Yeah,
I wouldn't want to spend this money.
no, why are you making an excuse? It's your money and your life.
Be-
I don't agree with people saying you should not make fun and not have jokes while the pandemic is going on. I mean, obviously there's a Insta showing people enjoying. There's a point where maybe you've crossed it, but I'm saying why? Why do you have to be negative? You be as
No, so
positive as you
actually,
can.
that's an interesting question, right? I had a couple of hosts approach me last week
Yeah.
saying, "Hey, should we continue doing episodes while
Oh,
things are so
really?
bad?"
Yeah.
And my this was like, we should give people something to do other than consume content about
You should
pandemics.
only have this question when things are really good. That's when you
Yeah.
should say maybe we shouldn't do it. It's just everything's going too well,
Hmm.
because there's no way but down from here. I think under pressure you should be doing this every time. I don't understand this at all. You don't want to listen to the person. You don't have to watch the podcast or the TV show or the digital show or whatever. Don't watch
Right.
it. What's
No,
the
and you can
biggie?
consume it later. But I mean, like, there are a lot of people right now. I know I myself are in that position where I don't want to consume pandemic
When you're
news.
directly
Yeah.
affected, it's a different ball game altogether. If somebody is
Yeah.
dying in your family, okay, you're not going to be watching the bloody podcast and this and
Yeah.
that. Okay, so and in fact, I would say after 4 or 5 days of that crap and your mind is all over the place, it'll be good to come to a nonsense show or silly show or light show or
Yeah.
whatever. And it's not insensitive to just escape a little bit. So I think stop pointing fingers about all these things. Are a waste
Yeah.
of time. Just focus. Each person focus on themselves and try and keep yourself healthy. That's all there is
Uh,
to it.
Listen again. I mean, like, the people who approached me had reasons, right? I mean, like, they're mentally fucked because they're around this in like a deep way and stuff like that.
Okay,
So I get what their points are,
that's
right?
fine.
And
If
that's
they can't deal with it and mentally, then they shouldn't perform. That's fine.
that
Yeah.
I understand that, right? But I think that at the same time, it's important that people have things to consume which are not pandemic related directly, right? And I think that that's just because I mean, like, it's just around us all the time, right? I mean, like, it's just constant. So
Also,
yeah.
sometimes we need to man up a little bit. As a society, I feel it's just always soft, the soft approach, just die. Stop dying. Do not go gently into the dark night. Dylan Thomas called me and told me these words. Just fight a little bit sometimes. I know it's horrible that it's been a year and all that, but doesn't anybody feel like standing up and saying, let's, take this thing on and let's try and win? I mean, it sounds
Uh,
like a lot of
uh,
bravado, but I'm saying there's got to be another way than just hide, hide,
there,
hide, and feel sad and say, don't talk
Yeah.
about it. And oh, I'm so sorry, it's too touchy a topic. Yeah, that's just
there's a
imploding. You're imploding.
there's a sense of tiredness, no, Cyrus, isn't there? Aren't people just exhausted by this?
Defeatism. Yeah, defeatism. I don't know
No,
what to
it's
do.
not defeatism. It's just like it's just exhaustion with the situation, right? At this point, I mean, like, I feel like that's something that a lot of people are facing.
Yeah,
W-
look
You
at
know, you
Silvery, for example. He's looking very depressed for some reason. And
I mean, yeah. So the thing is, like, I feel that very often what happens is, I mean, I don't know why I'm putting my parents on the line here, but if I go out of the house a little bit, my parents get even more paranoid than they actually are because
yeah.
they think that I'm getting it back. Even though when I'm going out, I'm meeting like one or two friends at most. They have also kept, keeping their precautions up or whatever. But it is difficult for parents. I
see,
understand,
I'm not arguing
especially
with
on
that.
these.
Okay, this is a
Yeah,
call you have to make, a practical, logistical
yeah,
call, a clinical call. You make that call. I'm
yeah.
talking about your attitude. Attitude has got nothing to do with the situation. We'll have to wear the bloody mask. We have to stay at home. We have to do all this. But the attitude doesn't have to be negative. We have to try and make the most of the situation. That's all I'm saying. It's easier
That's
said than
true.
done, yes.
Yeah,
But I do feel a lot of people are just starting on a negative. Like, it's like they've just accepted defeat, what he exactly mentioned. Once you start accepting that defeat, it's so tough to bring the person out of it. We can
It's
still
not
joke, we can still talk about other topics, we can discuss the
absolutely
NBA or
hundred
whatever.
percent.
Let's get on with it. Whatever we've got, we've still got something.
No, no, we should. We absolutely 100% should, right? We should look at other things and stuff like that. But I also think that it's understandable to me that people are exhausted with the
I'm
situation.
not saying it's not understandable. Don't make me sound like a monster.
Hmm.
I totally understand that. I'm trying
Oh,
to motivate people around me at least to
yeah,
just look at it from a more sunny way because we don't have a choice. We
we
have the
don't.
negativity, but why are we embracing that? There's no point. And
Agreed.
since there are no answers, hence people are getting depressed. Will the vaccine save me? Will it not save me? Is there a variant? Is there another
No,
variant? Is there a
the
third wave?
vaccine will save you. I mean, like, listen, the vaccine will save you. It's not going to
People are also
say,
cynical, Amit. There are people telling me we've so and so's got it after both the shots. We try to explain that, but he didn't die. So, in a way, it must have helped him.
yeah,
But
yeah.
that's not what they all want invincibility with this vaccine, which is not the truth.
which is not going
At
to
best, it's
happen.
saving your life. If you,
And isn't that enough?
for me, it's enough. But for some
Yeah.
people, yeah, they want more. Maybe they want another life with a new wife, kids, a picket fence. Maybe Gurgaon this time, where the rules are relaxed. Was
Uh,
not anymore. Okay, guys, come on, 11 o'clock. Next
All
one.
right,
yeah.
let's do. Uh, Okay, let's do a lighter one then. This one comes in from
Yeah,
Abhay
or
Ghosh.
we'll sound like fools.
Yeah. Let's do.
Uh,
This one comes from Abhay Ghosh. He says, talking about toothbrushes, what is the panelists' view on electric toothbrushes?
I'm old fashioned. I just didn't get down to it. My wife bought for maybe an anniversary or birthday, something like as a
Yeah.
hint.
It
I
doesn't
tried
feel
it.
like it cleans
Doesn't
properly.
feel like you're brushing only.
Yeah,
And
I
I don't
agree.
like the sound. All these weird sounds irritate me early morning, especially.
And also the head seems very small. Like you have to like keep doing. Okay, well, I'm just doing like a weird action.
It's sexual. What you're saying and doing is very sexual. So it's
Yeah.
elevating the mood of the conscience of the country towards sexuality, which is good in this case. But Amit, you have used it. You must have used. You're an American boy.
I've used, but I like the normal ones.
Yeah, it's amazing how
Uh,
it doesn't hold sway on us since it's
yeah.
the forward toothbrush.
Well, so apparently some of the newer ones are supposed to be great, like really, really great. I haven't used anything new. I use the electric toothbrushes from like 20 years ago,
I
and they didn't really do much for
I
me.
want my only thing about thing is that a lot of manual effort. I wish somebody would brush my teeth for me. I've always thought if I could get someone to just I just
That would be great.
and niche upper all that. But the wife I married, lucky if I have teeth.
Is
Yeah, really.
Okay.
I mean, those people get married thinking a lot of their problems are solved. Remember, your wife is not your mother, and don't you ever mistake that. Don't you ever mistake that to her face because that will pain you forever. And don't you ever mistake that in your mind because that will also be a scar for life. Yeah. There's only one mother. Guys, let me just tell you, there's only one mother. That's the only person in your life who will do everything and anything for you, no matter how obnoxious you are. This coming from me, it's a truth. After that, it's downhill. Yeah. Amit, trust me,
I
after mom, there will not be that kind of relationship. It's a after that it's egalitarian. It's give and take. It's both parties. This is the only relationship which is one sided in a sense, where you can take someone for granted till you're 60 or whatever if you're both alive. Next.
Yep.
Let's do
Next
one
one.
more.
Yeah, next one comes in from this one comes in from Rajiv Chaudhary. He says, "Why are political parties being held responsible for the situation that citizens have orchestrated? If the Kumbh and election rallies are being held, does it mean we have to visit?"
How can the political parties of UP, no names mentioned, be held non-accountable for Kumbh happening? A huge event, not even a small party which you shut down in Walkeshwar, where we live. But this, what are you talking about? We discussed
Uh,
this. 30
No,
lakh at a time bathing and all. Come on.
no,
No, but people
and
also
the
are to be blamed, right? It's not
Yeah, of
just
yeah,
course,
so
of course.
yeah,
the people
Yeah,
who do this are to be blamed without question. But I mean, like to blame people without laying responsibility on the governments or the organizations or the bodies
yeah,
which
absolutely,
put this stuff together is like foolish beyond belief, right? Because I mean,
yeah,
like, yeah, people did behave badly, but there are people are you have a subset of people called leaders. You have a subset of people called like organizers. These people are the ones who are facilitating this, and to say that they are not responsible or that
uh,
the responsibility solely lies with the individual is fucking nonsense. It's the same thing as I think we spoke about this a while ago, right? That I
I
this
just
John Oliver plastics episode,
hmm,
where how plastics, basically the whole environmental body, the whole idea that you are responsible to recycle your thing is nonsense, because 95% of plastics are not recyclable,
exactly.
right?
Uh,
And so it's the same thing here. You
But
can't
here,
hold.
you guys may not know Yogeshwar Dutt, our wrestling champion, medalist at the Olympics and all that. He basically tweeted in favor of the Kumbh Mela, saying how who says this, that, and the other. The administration is doing all they can, and people are following the protocol and all that. In his, although I don't think it's his tweet completely. Somebody's done it for him. Uh, Abhinav Bindra attacked him, our gold medalist, air pistol gold medalist,
yeah,
attacked him and said, "How can someone talk like this?" It was wonderful to see Abhinav Bindra's post. You can't justify, like, I mean, you can't justify anything in life, but when you're not talking about individuals, keep them 10 feet apart and wash your hands and wear masks and avoid meeting in groups of 8 or 10 at a party or 5 or whatever. This is like just the other end of the spectrum. This is, I mean, it boggles the mind. It's not even a 30 people or 100 people which would be front page news, or 200 people in a Gurgaon party or Noida party. No, this is 30 odd lakhs plus. So, I mean, and nobody, we just let it go. Everybody let it go. The political
Yeah.
establishment let it go because it's a
Uh,
vote bank and nobody wants to call it out. Oof.
it is absolutely it is absolutely the fault of the political establishment for
Yeah.
this. There's just no other way of looking at it. You can't put personal responsibility on this stuff here. I mean, like, yes, people have to be personally responsible, but that is the the degree of blame to be apportioned between
Yeah,
personal
definitely.
responsibility and political, it's night and day.
Establishment has to take more, much more,
Much
100%.
more.
Also, they're the guiding light. What's the next step? The next
Yeah.
steps haven't been clear. You got caught off guard the first time. 12 months later, when it happened, we've been complacent, obviously.
Yeah.
They shouldn't have been complacent. Why are we running out of beds and oxygen tanks? Why are 15 countries offering us aid? It's a quite a strange, almost slap in the face in a sense. Oh, lovely gesture. Pakistan is offering aid. So
Yeah.
look where you
Correct.
stand now.
Yeah.
Suddenly, I mean, where are we? What happened? We had 1 year to
And
prepare. Why don't we have the beds? Why don't we have the oxygen tanks? Why don't we have the vaccines? Why wasn't it pushed on a more bigger war footing? Anyway, now forget it. It's done. We need to just address it from where we are. I don't want to be
Hmm.
the voice of doom. There's too
No,
much
but that
doom.
is that's again, that's the fault of the political establishment,
That's
isn't
what I'm
it, in
saying.
this
We can't point
situation?
a finger at the public. To be
Hmm.
honest, a lot of the public, and in 1.3 billion, there are going to be a few monkeys. We've discussed that. But a lot of the public have been pretty good, despite that it's happened.
Hmm.
So I don't know.
Yeah, I agree 100%. And on that lovely
Yeah,
note,
let's end, please. My daughter's already given me a hint.
sure.
And I've got 4 hours of Amazon interviews lined up after
have
this.
fun, enjoy. What are you promoting for
Oh, I
Amazon?
should promote it on our podcast. Only
You
I
should.
forget. It's called Laugh Out
Loud.
Loud. Lol. Laugh Out Loud.
What?
These names, these names are a little tough for me. So I just have to double check because I know it's in the laugh area. We spend many days shooting and talking about it. It's just, I've not done a PhD in the damn subject. For God's sake, it's that's my daughter's hair, not my beard. Just in case people are asking. For someone who's trying to be shy, huh, Maya? Anyway, so Laugh Out Loud is like a reality show between 10 comedians. You have to make each other laugh and then you get thrown out. And Baman and Arshad are the judges come anchors who did nothing but sat there on their fat bums and got paid 15 times what we got paid, but they're lovely guys and work was scarce. Yeah, so that was it. We'll discuss it tomorrow or whatever in more detail or whenever we do our next. Because it's launching, I think, on the weekend. I better check the dates. I'm the only one who doesn't know anything. It's there somewhere. Okay. Bye
I
bye,
think it is
guys.
launching next weekend. Yep.
Yeah, this
All
weekend.
right.
This weekend.
The weekend of the first or second or something like
Something
that.
like that. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
All
All right.
right.
See you all. Bye.